Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to do tagging in your formatted content. First of all, I would like to explain the tagging, why it is important. So, there is a procedure by which students read the topic. So, actually, they used to read the topics by block wise. For example, first of all, they will read the introduction, they will read the definition, then they will see the image, they will read the paragraph, and accordingly, they used to read the content. And it is very important that they should spend proper time on all the section to understand the content. So for doing tagging, first of all, log in with the admin or teacher credential, then navigate to the course. Make sure the turn editing on button is enabled. When it is enabled, you can see various button on the topic. Scroll down to the topic. Below below the topic, you will see two buttons: edit summary, by which we edit the content. Then there is another button which is edit topic block. Click on it. The content will open to get tagged. So here you can see the content is now open to get tagged. So select the content which you want your user to read as one block. So I feel user should read this particular block at one time. So I selected the same. Then I will click in add block button, and you will notice that when I clicked on add block, a section got open where I need to provide information regarding the block. So by this block, the user will read the details of the block. So here, first of all, we will provide the block name. Block name is the name of the block by which you want this block to get represent. So I want it by the name of of introduction to principles of management. Then section name. Section name is a very important section. Here we will group by the all blocks present in the topic by section. For example, if there are available various definition in the topic, so we can group all the definition by the name by the section name definition. So what will happen when they will open the table of content and they will navigate the definition section, so they will see all the definitions block listed in same place. So it will help them to read all the definition at one time rather than scrolling the content and navigating to the definition. So here I'm going to put section name as introduction. Then next thing is weightage. In weightage, we provide what is the importance of this block in overall topic. So I feel the weightage of this particular block should be 3. And suppose if it was a block of definition, then it should be 5, because definition are something which comes in examination and they should spend time on it. So accordingly, you can provide the weightage. One important thing is the weightage should be in between 1 to 10. So you have to decide what weightage should be provided to this particular block. If it is very important, then you can give weightage to this block as 10. If it is less important, then you can provide 1 as weightage. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then the next information is keyword. So you need to provide various keyword by which you want this block to get searchable. For example, if someone write introduction introduction to principles of management, comma, definition. If someone is searching for definition of principle of management, So like this, you can provide various keyword by which you want this block to get searchable. Then there is next information, which is pause in second. When you do the tagging, our tablet has a feature that is text to voice. Our tablet read the text of the content. So pause in second decides what should be the pause that should be taken by the tablet when it complete reading one particular block and when it start reading another block. So by default it is 1. You can increase the time, but I feel that this is good time, so I'll let it to be 1. Then the next thing is reading time. So this is very important. We have to provide this value in seconds. Here you need to decide, or the teachers need to decide, how much time a student should spend on this particular block to understand it. So for example, I think that a person should spend at least 2 minutes on this, in this particular block, to understand. So I will put it as 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes. So I feel 2 minutes is a proper time to understand this block. Then scroll down, then the last thing is block content. It is the actual content which your tablet reads. So when the student in tablet will use text to voice feature, and he will see this block and he will activate the text to voice feature, so the content written in the this section will be read by the tablet. So you can change the content. By default we have copy pasted the same content of the block, but if you want to change the content with personalized text that users should listen while reading the content, so you can change the same. This is very useful. This section is very useful if suppose there is an image. You can create block on the image, and then there you can put the description of the image under this section, or you can put look into this image text. So what will happen when the user will look the image, the tablet will say look into the image. Or if you will provide any descriptive information of the image, then the user can hear that particular content with the image. So it is very useful thing. So once you have entered the data, you can click in the save block button. It is saying block save, it means the block has been created. Further you can create other block providing the similar information. In case you want to delete any particular block, then you can use this cross button to delete the block. It will ask you a message that are you sure you want to delete the block. If you will say okay, then the block will get deleted. Okay, if anytime you want to edit the block, then you can select that particular block and you can change the content, and you can again click on the save block button. Once you are done with tagging the whole content of the topic, then click in the save all to DB button. When you will click on it, the content will get saved and you will get redirect to the topic. If you want to edit the content, edit the tagging of the content again, then you need to click in the edit tagging button again, and then repeat the same procedure and click in the save all to DB button. Hope this was clear and it was useful. Please try to use this feature. It is very important for your student. Thank you for watching.